It's easy to say, one day I'll do it, or when X happens, then I'll get started. But the people who succeed, they don't wait for the circumstances, they create them. You need to have that true hunger and passion for your dream. I see singers all the time who say they want to be top artists, but their lifestyle and their actions don't match up with what they say they want. Your actions need to align with your goals. When your friends go out, maybe, just maybe, you need to stay in and really work on your craft and really work on honing your skills. You have to count the cost. Success comes with a price, and there are many trade-offs. If you look at any great singer's journey, think about your favorite artists that are at the top of their game. If you look at their journey, it took discipline, hard work and dedication for them to reach the top, tirelessly developing their voice and their skills. So if you truly want to become a professional singer, let your actions show it. Be hungry, make the sacrifices, develop your skills tirelessly. Don't think you could just go into the microwave and then expect instant results. You need to go in the oven, you need to put in the work. I hope this motivates you to do what you need to do to achieve your singing aspirations, because you can achieve anything you set your mind to. If you want it, if you really want it, and if you're hungry for it, then you've 100% got this. So do what you need to do. Do what you need to do, put in the work, and you will get the results.